Hello guys, welcome back to our new video, and this video I will show you how to make a luminous look on your images using your Pixel smartphone. First of all, open your Google Photos and choose the required image you want to make a luminous look. Here you can see the edit option on the bottom side of this image. Tap on the edit option. Here you can see so many options: unblur, dynamic portrait, etc. Scroll down towards right to reach the luminous option. Tap on the luminous option. Now your image is changed into a luminous look. By doing this, you can make luminous look on any photos using your Google Pixel smartphone. By tap on the save copy option, you can save this image into your device. If you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.